Hello, and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today, I'm unboxing something that isn't new to the world, but it's new to us. Origin Acoustics' range of InCeiling speakers is hugely renowned worldwide for producing such a wonderful quality product so cheaply. And it's wonderful to see that we've introduced it here at the Listening Post, and so I wanted to share some of their entry-level range with you today. This is their Director series, the D65. D for Director, 65 for about 6.5 inch. It comes in very plain packaging. These guys know that this product isn't going to be displayed in some beautiful showroom. It's going to be out the back, it's going to be in somebody's van, and it's going to be immediately in somebody's home. So they haven't wasted any time with glorious colour packaging. There's basic information about the products on all sides, and the model information on just one end. Opening these is really easy. Like anything that's kind of factory sealed with tape, it's a simple nick and pull. Very straightforward with these products. Now this is where my industry, sort of the custom and hi-fi industry, comes in. The first thing we want to see when we open a box of custom speakers is to get the template out. Cutting holes is never easy, and guessing a hole is never ideal. This particular one is quite unique as it comes pre-tapped with a hole in the middle for its dead centre. This is absolutely ideal when you're positioning these in a ceiling, and you can pop the inner and outer out if you wish, so you can use the square to help align it, and then the circle for the cut lines. It shows the exact dimensions and which models it will actually cut for. There's a little bit of protected cardboard before we get down into the speaker itself. And this is really simple because this is all the packaging that it requires. The magnetic grill sits in its own plastic bag for protection, but is actually adhered to the top of the speaker. You can see that there. Okay. These grills are bezel free, with a very narrow and nice little weave as far as the grill itself. It's once the bag's removed, you sort of see that there is a cloth texture on the inside of it. This ensures that you don't get any diffusement of the reflective light through it to give an implication of what's in behind. It looks great, and it's designed to work with the grill on, so it's not going to have any influence over the sound. Should you need to remove this for painting, there's actually a brilliant little tab just here. So pulling that away for painting is very easy, and it's great to see that these products, the manufacturers have thought about how we in this industry is going to use this product to make it look good in your home. The speaker itself is relatively rudimentary. We'll just have a look. There's the packaging. This is recycled cardboard and obviously 100% recyclable, and so is the rest of the packaging, so that's excellent. It's great to see in this polystyrene world that Origin Acoustics has opted to have polystyrene free packaging in this range. Okay, so looking at the speaker, and a reminder, this is their budget end. Despite the fact that it sounds so good, it's very cheap. So let's have a quick look. Right, now firstly, Origin Acoustics has some unique brackets. The speaker itself can be unclicked, and you saw, I'll just sort of do that again, click and unclick, and then lift it out. Okay. Now that leaves this installation ring to be slotted up into the ceiling and then the clamps pulled down. And that's done through this side here, and you'll actually see some finger holds for exactly that. That is simply and rigidly gripped onto the jib. You'll actually see some springy teeth, and please hang around for some photographs. I'll take some of these. The installation is quick and easy, and it leaves this protective ring in place, gripping tightly the jib, while you then continue trimming cables and other things along those lines. Should the speaker ever need to evolve or change in quality, Origin Acoustics use a series of speakers that will still fit in the same insert, and so should this be painted or something like that, you're not ripping it out of the ceiling. It's a brilliant feature. Now it is worth noting as I spin this around, and again please hang around, the magnets for these products are actually not on this surface but on the underside, so the ones that hold the grill still leave a very smooth finish. better for painting, less likely in the elements to rust, and so obviously in an outdoor environment or in a bathroom, the magnets being on the underside is a brilliant idea. Again, hang around for some photographs because I'm going to show you the locking and other things along those lines. Right, the speaker itself. Now, this pivots, and again, despite its really good budget price, this has some amazing features. We can pivot the speaker within it to create some directionality, and also the tweeter. The mechanics of the speaker are very well covered and protected, so the main driver and other things are not exposed. There are some screws if required for servicing or something along those lines, and then the basket protecting everything as it moves. The quality of the components are obvious, and please again hang around for some photographs where you can see. Everything from the binding posts, wires, and all of the components that act as a crossover network are brilliant as far as their quality, and unique, if not second to none, in its price point. The speakers have an excellent rubber sort of flange to them. This helps with not only reflection of sound, but also to create a chatter-free or vibration-free installation. You don't want something that's acting as a piston to produce sound, creating any other untoward vibration in your ceiling. So again, unique in its price. Now inserting this, again, sort of pivoting tweeter, bracketing and other things like that, second to none. This is all good, solid materials. And there's a wee switch here to allow you to attenuate slightly the tweeter. Ideal if you're in a high reflection environment and other things like that. Now, so once this is in the ceiling, of course, the installation is actually very straightforward. I'm sort of just going to show you that. A simple orientation sees it drop in. So simple twist, an orientation sees it drop in, and then you see these, which are firm plastic catches, enabling us to twist this into a locking position. Now that position is hard work. It is designed to seal this product, and those rubber seals do an excellent job. And it locks into a number of, well, what do you got? 1, 2, 3, 4 separate spring tensions to ensure that this product is perfectly installed in your home. Quickly, accurately, without too many problems, and it's wonderful to see it's so well thought out. So, here we go. Origin Acoustics. Their Director Series, their D65 InCeiling speaker, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.